All right, another assumption that needs to be met is that there should be independence of observations, both between the observations themselves within a group and between the groups. So let's break that down for just a second. Independence of observations within a group means that, let's say you are a part-time employee and you ranked your job satisfaction as a 4 on a scale of 1 to 10, and I am a full-time employee and I ranked my job satisfaction as 5. So the fact that like you ranked your job satisfaction as 4 does not affect my job satisfaction rating, right? These are not interreliant on each other, which means that there is independence between these observations. And the same goes for employment status. So the fact that um, I'm full time does not affect the fact that you're part time, and vice versa. And another way you can look at that is like someone can't be both part and full time at the same time, right? So these observations are independent. So let's also talk about independence between the groups. We saw the exact opposite of this. So the exact opposite of this when we did the matched paired or matched samples t-test. Um, so that looked like when we had some variable and then it was measured twice. So we had some variable, an intervention happened, and then it was measured again, right? Between that pre and post test situation. So again, this variable was measured at 2 points in time using the same measurement scale, right? That's not the case here. We have employment satisfaction and then employment status. These are not reliant on each other in the way that they were before. That they're not dependent on each other. So in this data set, in particular, this assumption is met, that we do have independence of observations between groups themselves and between the observations within the groups.